Namaste, everyone. This is Harsha Ramaya. Welcome to this wonderful show. So, today on this show, we have Dr. Nidhi Vasani Iyer. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Namaste.
Ma'am, thank you so much for being with us. And today is a wonderful topic that we want to discuss. I'm sure Corona has given us a good lesson to keep our hands clean, but still there are certain things that we should note. So I thought I could not find any better expert than you. So the topic today that we've chosen to talk is a World Hand Hygiene Day. And the slogan for this 2020 is Save Lives, Clean Your Hands. So Nidhi ma'am, there are a few questions that I have put up and I would like you to answer. And your answers will definitely give some insight, some detail, some thought process to our audience. So my first question, Nidhi ma'am, to you is, why do we celebrate a hand washing day?
At the outset, I'd like to thank you for having me on the show and for choosing this wonderful topic as well, because this is the need of the hour. COVID has actually given us many positives, and the habit of hand washing is just one of them, which we can highlight today. So, initially, we know that if we look at our past, we always say that history repeats itself. So, what better example than the current scenario? If we look at our old rituals, whether we are Hindus or Muslims or whatever religion we follow, hand washing is a very common ritual which is common to all religions. So, before any sacred procedure, whether it is your wedding or your namaz, you are always instructed to clean yourself thoroughly. Even in the Hindu culture, after you visited the smashan for some funeral, you are told to come back and have a good bath. So these are important facts which our elders knew from the olden times, since time immemorial. But coming to the scientific basis of it, around 200 years back, it was some physicians. And one particular physician I would like to mention is Dr. Somal Vais. He found that there were a lot of incidences of hospital-acquired infection in patients. Like patients who were admitted, they got sick after getting admitted to the hospital. And on research, he found that it was because the infection was transmitted from the hands of the healthcare workers. So this led to a lot of research thereby, and then they reached a conclusion that hands of health workers are a very important mode of transmission of various bacteria and viruses. So if you look at your hands, if you could put your hand under the microscope, you would realize that these are the battlefield of germs. You can find every type of germ on your hand, whether it is viruses, bacteria, parasites. तो आप अपने हाथ पे एक माइक्रोस्कोप घुमाओगे and you will feel like shit, I need to go and rush and wash my hands. So with all this scientific background, it was finally decided by an international organization. It was called the Global Hand Washing Partnership. They decided that they need to raise the awareness about hand washing amongst the general population, the masses. And so they decided in 2008 to celebrate a day for hand hygiene. And that is what we are celebrating today, the World Hand Hygiene Day. So this is
Wonderful.
how it originated.
Beautiful, Nidhi ma'am. And very rightly, you mentioned that definitely when we put our hands under the microscope, we come to know this is really a battlefield. I think today everyone understands this better. Earlier, it was like घर में खाना खाने से पहले and after meals, हाथ धोना we teach children. But at times, we only forget to do that. So I think now it has become very, very essential. It is a necessity because anyone who comes in our homes, the first thing that we do is please wash your hands. I think इतना अगर ध्यान रखते तो शायद ये होता ही नहीं. Thank you, Nidhi
Yeah,
ma'am.
but better late than never. So we should start today itself.
True. My next question, Nidhi ma'am, to you is what is the theme of Global Hand Washing Day 2020 and why they have selected this theme?
Yeah, so every year since 2008, they have a particular theme for the year. So this time it is clean hands for all. They want everybody to clean hands because what has been found is that there is 40% of the world population which does not have access to basic hand washing modalities. तो अगर आप देखें तो 40% ऐसे लोग हैं जिनके पास यार ना तो साफ पानी है ना सोप है जिससे वो अपना हैंड हाइजीन मेंटेन कर सके and this leads to innumerable diseases which we will discuss. So they want to take it across to each and every household that there are proper accesses to water and soap, so that basic routine hand wash can be made available. And they want to make that sure that every school, every community, हर जगह ये access हो. Abhi government has also become very active, so we have stations at various intervals, even in public places where you can wash your hands and all. But this was a measure which was required much earlier. But as I told you, that jage tab se savera. So at least this is happening now, and this foundation wants to make it available worldwide. So ये जो organization है पूरे विश्व level पे, and slowly this will become a reality everywhere, whether it is India or Ghana or Bangladesh or any developing country for that matter.
Very right, Nidhi ma'am. And I think the generation coming up, the generation that we are raising, I think they will have this habit of hand washing better than what we had or what our ancestors had. When you were talking about the health workers, मैं जरूर से ये बात यहाँ पे बताना चाहती हूँ कि निधि मैम हमारे घर पे जो काम करते हैं, जो महिलाएं हैं या जो पुरुष हैं, I think after going to the toilet, may it be just going to the toilet or latrine or whatever, they don't wash, they just rub their hands in the mud and it's just over. So till today I have found out that this practice goes on, is going on. So I think awareness like these, talk shows like these will definitely awaken people that how much important it is to take soap, rub your hands and clean your hands. I think that is most important. Nidhi ma'am, thank you so much. My next question, Nidhi ma'am, what are the three aims of Global Hand Washing Day?
Right. So they came up with agendas, and here I would like to highlight a bit. The first, as you rightly said, was to foster and support a general culture of hand washing. कि ये जो बात है, ये सबको समझ में आए कि hand washing कितनी जरूरी चीज है, कैसे करनी चाहिए और क्यों करनी चाहिए. The second thing they want is to shine a spotlight on the state of the hand washing in every country. So if you compare India, Ghana, America, Australia, they're countries with different diverse population, and they will have diverse habits. Can you imagine China? We said that, it is going to be a very good developed country who had started the COVID-19 and all. One of the reasons why COVID spread was only 23% of the people in China have a habit of washing regularly. Even if they have access, they would not wash their hands very regularly. So Indian culture, there are around 40-50% people who are used to hand washing in different points of time. So this difference needs to be picked up, and the right areas need to be changed. So where to plan your intervention can be decided on the basis of this. And the final and the most important, I guess, is to raise awareness about the benefits of hand washing. और यहाँ मैं कुछ statistics लाना चाहूंगी. I know statistics is boring, पर और छोटे से figures, and I think people will be able to see what difference it can make. तो 3 में से diarrhea infections जो है, abdominal earthworm infections, diarrheas in infants especially, तो 3 में से 1 case कम हो proper hand washing. So in schools, even in schools like kindergartens or where they're dealing with primary children, if this is made a habit that prior to lunch, after using the washroom, if the children are instructed properly to wash hands, then this can change the entire scenario. Second is respiratory infections. COVID has brought hand washing into the spotlight, but a lot of infections, say pneumonia, simple flus, colds, coughs, and SARS and MERS, which were the ancestors of the COVID virus, they all could be prevented. So 1 case out of 5 could be prevented if proper hand washing was practiced. तो इससे 2 चीजें कम होती है. One is the infant mortality rate, कि 1 साल से छोटे बच्चे जिनकी डेथ हो जाती है, वो हम इससे कम कर सकते हैं. That is mostly prevalent in countries like India and Bangladesh and developing countries like that. And I would just like to present a few figures, that there are 3.5 million children worldwide who do not live to see their 5th birthday. 5 साल पहले वो किसी ना किसी डायरिया या इन्फेक्शन की वजह से भगवान को प्यारे हो जाते हैं. If we all as a society, as a community, practice hand washing religiously, if we don't go to the temple, that is fine. But if we do this religiously, we can save 1 million lives. So there will be 1 million babies who can grow up and see this beautiful world out there.
Yeah.
So this is the importance of hand washing, and this is what this community wants to stress on.
वंडरफुल निधि मैम आई थिंक पहले जब हम छोटे थे तो कहते थे कि आपकी किस्मत आपके हाथों में है आई थिंक हमारी सेहत भी हमारे हाथों में ही है इट्स जस्ट वी हैव टू कीप रबिंग इट जैसे हम वो अलादीन का चिराग है रब करते हैं एंड देयर इज अ जिन कमिंग आउट इफ वी कीप रबिंग आवर हैंड्स नॉट ओनली वी विल बी सेफ बट एज यू मेंशन जो ये 5 साल तक के बच्चे जो देख नहीं पाते आई थिंक वी कैन सेव देयर लाइव्स आल्सो सो इट्स so much important to just wash your hands एक simple technique है करना कुछ भी नहीं है सिर्फ टाइम निकालना है that is also of 20 seconds standing and washing your hands with soap and water but that also I'm sure majority of the people ignore कि अभी चलता है ठीक है छोड़ो कोई बात नहीं ऐसे पानी से हाथ धो दिया और they sit for lunch. Nidhi ma'am, my next question to you is what are the procedures of hand washing? There are specific procedures ki jo hote hain, so I just want you to tell us.
Right. So hand washing proper steps. You like to demonstrate them one-on-one. So first is you need to have 3 basic things. One is a good soap bar or some liquid soap, some good water and a clean towel. ये prerequisites आपके पास ready है कि ये नहीं देखिए आ गए और सीधा धो दिया पता है कि towel है ही नहीं then it is all a waste. So first make sure these 3 things are in place. Then wet your hands. पहले अपने हाथ गीले कर लीजिए simple पानी से. Then apply a good quantity of soap. कोई कंजूसी मत कीजिएगा. You need to lather your soap. So अच्छे से soap को apply कीजिए. Then what happens is you need to clean your palms first. So palms first. Then the back, that is the dorsum of the hands. Then interlink your fingers. So finger के between जो spaces है वो बिल्कुल साफ हो जाए. Second thing is lock your fingers. So this will clear off debris from your nails and all. Right? Then the most often missed area is the thumb, which we miss very often. We don't have to do any extra effort because we have just 2 thumbs. Unlike Ritik, he would have to make some extra efforts. Clean your thumbs. Second is cup your hands and clean so that all your nails and all again become clean. So this is important. After all these steps have been done very religiously, then rinse your hands thoroughly and then dry them. So scrubbing has to be proper. Only then the rinsing and drying is going to give you proper results. So this is the basic technique of hand wash which you have to follow. You can use any soap. Nowadays, I find it a very affirmative measure, a very positive measure that a lot of soap brands are promoting hand wash and they're telling use any soap. It may not be our soap. So that happens very rarely. That Lifebuoy is telling you any soap, you may not use Lifebuoy, but at least wash your hands. So this is a very positive measure which has come across. And after washing, dry them with a paper towel or a disposable towel or use a cloth towel if you don't have. And if you have a paper towel, make sure you use that paper towel to close the tap so that you don't even touch the tap and it is left clean for the next person in use, especially in public places. So this is a very important measure. And as you said, 20 seconds. So there are people who will not go by the watch. There are few who would not have a watch and they'll just scrub their hands and finish it off. So the good way to remember is to sing the happy birthday song twice. And so you're done with 20 seconds. So make that a point that is easy and everybody likes birthdays. I think there would be rarely anybody who does not love birthdays.
So very nice. I think this to remember happy birthday ka song do baar गा लो तब तक अपना hand rub करो. Nidhi ma'am, one basic question I want to put here is that when we talk to people and when we ask on the Facebook community also I've asked people that do you religiously wash your hands for 20 seconds? And the answer that I got was only 10 to 15% people said yes. Rest of them said that, ma'am, itna time kahan par hai? So what would you like to tell them, ma'am? Because it is the question of your own health. Out of 24 hours, you're not able to take out 20 seconds. So what would you tell them, Nidhi, ma'am?
I would say that it is better to watch for 20 seconds than to see our video for 20 minutes.
True, wonderful.
So if you take 20 minutes to see our video, you can definitely have 20 seconds to wash your hands thoroughly. And it is not only for yourself, it is for yourself, your family, and your society and the world at large. So this is a little contribution from your side that you can make a difference in the lives of others.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I would really like to say that अपने लिए मत कीजिए, एटलीस्ट अपने परिवार वालों के लिए कीजिए. If you feel कि lazy या 20 सेकंड के लिए मैं हाथ घसता रहूं, there are people on the community who crack some jokes also. Ma'am, the color of my palms are now different than the rest of the body parts. So I can completely agree. When you keep on washing your hands, maybe they may become little more white in color, or maybe they become little rough, but that can be managed by using good night creams or lotions or something like that. But 20 seconds, and you very rightly said कि ये show देख रहे हो, इससे अच्छा है कि आप 20 सेकंड अपने हाथ धो लो. Nidhi ma'am, my next question to you is, what are the 3 types of hand washing? एक तो अभी आपने बहुत अच्छे से बताया. There are other 3 types. तो मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कौन सी types है वो, निधि मैम.
Right. So हमने जो अभी social hand wash or routine hand wash, which everybody should follow. It may be with an antimicrobial soap, a simple soap, as I said. So there is no evidence कि Dettol soap से हाथ धोएंगे तो better रहेगा या Savlon से हाथ धोएंगे तो better रहेगा. Use any soap of your choice, any fragrance of your choice. So that is one thing. Second is an antiseptic hand wash that is mostly required by healthcare workers because they are dealing with sick patients. They are giving them injectables. They are using pots and pans with the patient. So for them, you need to use an antiseptic solution. So the 2 commonest antiseptic solutions which we use are povidone iodine. It is sort of a brownish colored solution. It is used even in dressing of patients. तो आपने काफी बार देखा होगा बीटाडीन करके एक solution बोलते हैं. हैंड वॉश के लिए भी आता है फॉर सर्जिकल हैंड वॉश. So that is used, or there is chlorhexidine, which is another solution which we use for cleansing. So healthcare workers have to be particular because we said that we are sometimes responsible for transmission of diseases to patients, which we do not want. We are there to cure and to heal, not to make them sick. So as a part of our responsibility, we have to wash our hands with an antiseptic solution. And the third and most important thing for us surgeons is the surgical hand wash. And how is it different from the routine hand washes? You don't do it for 20 seconds, you do it for at least 2 to 6 minutes. There have been studies that you can do it even up to 20 minutes, but the ideal interval is around 2 to 6 minutes. And what is so special about this is you have to remove anything that you're wearing. Your wristwatches, your bracelets, your finger rings. You should not wear any nail polish. You should have your nails trimmed completely. You should have nothing on your hands as well. And then you have to follow the same basic principles of hand washing, but you have to do it very thoroughly. And you have to clean your hands up to the forearm. So both your hands get cleaned up to the forearm. If you're wearing something like this long sleeve dress, you have to pull up your sleeves and then only get washed. And you have to use taps which do not have to be operated by hand. Either they are foot operated or they are automatic. So the moment you put your hands underneath, they get start pouring water. And the important thing is you don't have to touch anywhere after that hand wash. You have to dry hands with also something which is very hygienic, which has been kept separately. You don't touch anywhere, then you scrub up in your theater dress and only then you start operating. Because as a surgeon, you don't want your hands to transmit an infection to your patient. Because we are dealing normally with cavities. You open the abdomen, you open the chest, you bring out the heart sometimes, you bring out lungs, you bring out intestines into the open. And then you don't want anybody to get infected because of you. So this has to be followed by everyone in the team, not only the doctor. The nursing staff who is assisting you, the anesthetist who is going to anesthetize you, all have to make sure that they do all these scrubbing measures properly before they enter the theatre. Then only we can prevent a lot of injections, because what we are coming across is with antibiotic resistance. Bugs have become smarter than doctors or researchers. So every time we come up with a new bug, like COVID-19 is a current challenge to all doctors, all researchers. Because now we have started understanding the virus, but we have not still got the antidote, that is the vaccine. So when the bugs become smarter, it becomes very difficult to tackle them. So we don't want any bugs to enter the system as far as possible, so that then we don't need to fight against them.
Wonderful. Nidhi ma'am, the entire session was very insightful. I'm sure everyone listening to this show must have received lot of information, lot of clarity, and some awareness also is going to happen through this show about hand washing. Nidhi ma'am, one question, it's not a doctor related question, it's parenting related. Young children normally don't listen to the parents, about hand washing, as I mentioned. Before meals, it's a challenge, to bring the children to the basin or the sink and then ask them to wash their hands. So any tip from your side कि parents कुछ कर सके कि बच्चे हाथ धोना सीख लें या समझे इस बात को?
Yeah, so from my side, I had a young child, which I hope I had one because mine is almost a teenager now, and she keeps on, bugging me to wash hands. Mama, you've come from the hospital, go for a wash, go for a wash. So I am facing a reverse case scenario. But I think the easiest thing would be rather to give them mobiles on the dining table. Make this a family activity. Make this a fun game. तो इसको कुछ game बनाओ कि you have to sing your happy birthday song. Somebody sings another rhyme. Somebody puts up a third rhyme. You have the sort of competition who sings the rhyme better. And there are rhymes on hand wash also, which I had read
Yes.
when I was setting up for the show. So Twinkle Twinkle Little Star has a rhyme for hand wash also. They've made a beautiful rhyme, the exact words of which I cannot remember now, but you'll definitely get it on the net somewhere. So twinkle, twinkle, little star, see how clean my hands are, and there are beautiful lines. So you can teach those rhymes so children get interested. The
True.
problem with children is they always need something which is interesting. They don't want to
Hmm.
do the same boring things all over again. So hand washing should be made as an interesting activity or some challenge or something, rather than making into a boring thing which you have to do only then you get your meals and all. And most often than not, what happens with young kids is they're not interested in eating. They want
Hmm.
to skip their meals and want to run for junk food or play around. So
True.
asking them to wash hands, even gives them another push that okay, khana hi nahi khana, ab haath dhone padenge. We should make it a fun game, bring some variations to it, make some fountains with water. So that helps in engaging them in a better way.
Wonderful, Nidhi ma'am. You're not a wonderful doctor, but I must say that you are a wonderful parent counselor also, because really this was a wonderful tip, and I will really search for this rhyme that you said, "Twinkle Twinkle Little Star." वो वाली जो rhyme आपने बताई, मैं definitely I will search, and if I find, I will post it in the comment section box. So very rightly you mentioned that rather than pushing children, make it interesting because that is what children look forward for. So Nidhi ma'am, thank you so much. I know you keep very busy, but on our invitation, you accepted and you are on the show and you shared valuable information with all of us. Any parting comments from your side for today's talk show, Nidhi ma'am?
Two main things. One is that if I was not a doctor, I would have ended up being a teacher. So these are events I look forward to because it's always good to interact with kids. If it's not physically, virtually, it makes your life more interesting and you feel like a kid again. So that is point number one. And second thing, masks and hand washing. These are the two major vaccines which we have, and they can save a lot of lives. So I find this really pathetic that every day you go on the roads and there are around 50% people roaming about without masks, and they take it very badly if you even request them to put on their masks and all. So they should adhere not to the laws, because I feel that laws don't always help. It should come from
Hmm.
within. So that
Within.
change should come from within, that I may not be able to do any research, that I may find a vaccine for corona. I may not be able to donate like Tata or Ambani and make a foundation
Hmm.
which will help in research or which will treat patients of corona. But as a normal human being, a citizen of a country, you should have this moral responsibility that I just wear a good quality mask, use it in the right places all the time, and then make sure that people around me are also safe.
True.
Sometimes you don't feel like interacting with the person. The sole reason being that they are not ready to put on their mask. And
True.
believe me, this hand washing and masks have a lot of potential. They can save more lives than a vaccine, and they are very easy to use and they're very inexpensive. You don't have to shell out a lot of money on this. So I would
True.
request everybody to put on their masks and use hand washing very religiously.
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल कमेंट्स निधि मैम थैंक यू सो मच और इसी के साथ वी कम टू द एंड ऑफ दिस वंडरफुल टॉक शो एक ही प्रार्थना जो निधि मैम ने भी की और मैं भी करना चाहूंगी, प्लीज वॉश योर हैंड्स एंड वेयर योर मास्क। जैसे निधि मैम ने बहुत अच्छे से बताया दैट वी आर नॉट टाटाज एंड अंबानीज टू contribute so much in terms of money, but definitely we can contribute by showing moral responsibility towards our nation by wearing the mask and washing our hands regularly. Nidhi ma'am, thank you so much for being with us. Thank you.
The pleasure is all mine. Thank you for having me again.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.